Essential oils are extracted from plants, roots, stems, leaves, flowers, or fruits and used ever since ancient times for healing. We are always talking about essential oils on the channel. Today, we will talk about their importance in treating joint pains and problems like arthritis and arthrosis. Pain and swelling in the joints are some of the biggest discomforts that someone can experience. The ginger essential oil has lots of benefits, including alleviating swelling and pain in the joints since it is anti-inflammatory. Ginger can be included in your meals, teas, or consumed as a supplement. Another thing that we usually have in our kitchens and that can help with this problem is basil. As an essential oil, basil has anti-inflammatory powers that drastically reduce swelling. A 2013 study confirmed this property of basil and showed that it can reduce the risk of damage to the cartilage. One of the most used in aromatherapy, lavender essential oil can help reduce the pain of arthritis. With analgesic qualities, this oil helps the affected joint relax. Have you ever heard of frankincense essential oil? It has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce the immune response and cartilage damages. Isn't it cool? All these oils can be used with a massage. Mix a few drops of your chosen oil with vegetable oil, like coconut or almond. Apply it over the area with gentle, circular motions for approximately 20 minutes. Now, check out how this recipe of avocado oil and lavender. Avocado oil is excellent for moisturizing and can accelerate healing since it is anti-inflammatory. For this synergy, you will need 1 ounce of avocado oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix both oils together and apply it over the affected area, gently massaging it until the oil is thoroughly absorbed. If you prefer, dilute the mixture in 1/4 of hot water and use a cloth to do hot compresses in the area for 10 to 20 minutes, according to the intensity of your pain. Do it 3 times a day to see the improvements. So, did you like learning more about the best essential oils for treating arthritis? Do it with your favorite essential oil and share your experience with us. Favorite